you no idea who could have done it? Until 2 days ago, the only thing I really knew about Charles was his name.
Voila, as they say. Would you sit down, Mr. Fleming? I've got Little West, chicken, and Little West.
Innocent. She didn't do it.
Oh, she did it all right.
I believe her.
Well, you and me? Forgive me. It was quite unintentional, I'm sure.
Come on now, Miss Langford. You know what it is. You're going to get it from me, too. You know I ain't fooling around. You see this little fella here? That was a dumb move. Next up.